This is going to make a wonderful home for a family. Buying a home is a big decision. Here's an important fact for home buyers. On average, 28% of your gross monthly income goes to making a mortgage payment that you may be making for up to 30 years. Think about it. Purchasing a home is a big commitment, and the reason why it is critical to better understand the full cost of financing. Whether you're buying a home or building a home, over the next few minutes, I will provide the 7 factors every home buyer needs to know before starting the financing process. Understanding these simple factors will make your home purchase smooth now and help you avoid issues over the life of your loan. Number 1, interest rate. Most banks will provide you with very competitive interest rates that will be within fractions of a percent from one another. So while important, home buyers should never choose a financial institution based on the rate alone. Number 2, who do you talk to? This question is as important now as it will be for years to come. At many banks, you could end up talking to a variety of people throughout the financing process. This can be frustrating and time-consuming, delaying the purchasing process and your move-in date. Often it becomes necessary to contact people you've never met who may be in another town and aren't familiar with you or your situation. Another important consideration, who do you talk to later, months or even years from now? You may know that many financial institutions have a practice of selling both the mortgage and the servicing of that mortgage to investors who are then free to sell it to other investors. This practice can be an issue for homebuyers when they need to ask questions or need customer service. A frustrating experience if, for example, the homebuyer escrows for local taxes or insurance. Be sure to ask whether the lender you are considering will be responsible for customer service throughout the life of your mortgage. This is a factor that you will have to deal with for many years to come, so make sure you're comfortable with their answer. Number 3, fast decisions. Mortgage decision and processing speed can also be an issue. Home buyers spend a significant portion of their time searching for the perfect home in the perfect location at the perfect price. Sellers, in turn, are interested in a buyer that can move quickly. When the loan approval and processing takes too long, it can strain that relationship and impair the purchase of their home. A lengthy financing process can also significantly complicate the timing of your move and the sale of your current home. Number 4, more savings. Make sure you're aware of all the fees and charges associated with buying your home up front. Broker fees, underwriting fees, and charges for managing an escrow account can add up at the time of your purchase and over the life of your mortgage. Number 5, flexibility and choice. No 2 home purchases are the same. Each buyer has their own unique needs and preferences. Will the financial institution escrow for taxes and insurance? Will they offer flexible solutions to help you finance your home, or will they be rigid in their requirements? Will they require that you use their legal counsel or permit you to use your own? At Marquette, the answer is yes. Number 6, no mystery. Marquette takes the mystery out of home buying with a complete suite of online tools and resources. Calculate your mortgage payment using our online calculator, or access our frequently asked questions and our glossary of real estate and financing terms to better understand the home buying process. Lastly, number 7, for those building a home. There are 2 very important considerations when financing the construction of a new home. First, ensuring that contractors are paid in a timely fashion at every stage of construction. Delays in payments equate to costly delays in construction. Payments to builders and stage of construction inspections are approved right here, in your hometown, by Marquette, keeping construction on schedule and on budget. That can often not be said by banks headquartered out of town. Second, will your financial institution require more than one closing? Some lenders require a separate construction loan up front, then a second closing when the home is completed. This is not only inconvenient to you, the home buyer, but costly because you incur the cost of 2 closings. At Marquette, you will always have just one closing for the construction and the financing of your new home. I hope you found our presentation informative. I'm confident you will find positive answers to all the factors we've discussed today when financing a home at Marquette Savings Bank. We encourage you to stop by any Marquette office or visit our website for more information and to start your home financing process today. Thank you in advance for your interest in Marquette Savings Bank, an equal housing lender, member FDIC.